Back on the channel with another video, and today we're gonna do an unboxing to the next 5G model from Samsung, which is Galaxy A51. The A51 was launched in December last year in variant with 4G, but today we have the 5G variant. Okay, this one is coming with slightly more improvements, and I mean a better chipset, better battery and better GPU. But we're gonna find out all the specification today, and maybe I can say the differences between 4G and 5G variant. Starting with the price, A51 5G cost £429, but I managed to take this a little bit more cheap because of promotion, trade-in and cashback on the Samsung website, and at the end I paid only £300, which is quite a good deal for me at least. Okay, so this is the box, and it's coming in a variant with 6 GB of RAM and 128 storage, Prism Cube Black, and pretty much that's it. So this one is coming in variant with 6 GB of RAM. The A51, the 4G model, came in variant with 4G and 64, but this is stock with 6 GB and 128 storage. Let's have a look. We got only the SIM pin to open that tray, and not too much inside. We got only some papers, and let's leave this here. So this is the phone. It's pretty much the same like on Galaxy A51 4G, so no 5G, and yeah, pretty much the same, if you can see. Let's leave it here for a moment. So what else we got in the box? If you can see, we got the Samsung adapter. We can charge this smartphone with 15 watts, and also we got a bigger battery on this one, and I'm gonna tell you later on. Also we got an USB Type-C cable, and we got this earphone so you can listen your favorite music. Okay, let's leave this away, and let's have a look on the smartphone. Like I said, this is quite the same like 4G variant, but slightly more improvements. So starting with the weight, it's a bit more heavy. We got 187 grams, the other one had 172. Also we got Cornell Gorilla Glass 3, we got a plastic back, but also we got an aluminium frame this time, so it's no plastic anymore. Okay, on the top we got that SIM tray, and let's have a look. Let's open that, and let's see what's coming with. Okay, so this smartphone can be also a dual SIM if you want to, or you can sacrifice one SIM and add a micro SD. So we don't have that support with an extra SIM card, so you have to choose if you want to put 2 SIM cards or only one and a micro SD. Okay, on the left side nothing else. On the right side we got the volume and the power buttons. On the top we got the jack audio still on the phone. We got the USB Type-C port and the speaker grill, which is quite nice. Okay, let's have a look on the phone now. I did register my fingerprint, and it's quite fast. Actually, it's really fast. Have a look. And I like it. Yeah. Also, I can see that it's very smooth. I mean, it's smoother than Galaxy A51 with in 4G variant, and I quite like it. We have a 6.5 inch size display, full HD plus and 405 ppi density, and we got Cornell Gorilla Glass 3. We got an Android 10 One UI 2, but the main important thing is that the chipset, now it's an Exynos 980 on 8 nanometers, which is a big plus from that Exynos 9611 on 10 nanometers. I'm just gonna take you quick on the menu. If you can see, we got a dark mode. You can disable this from the K menu also. and pretty much it's the same menu, of course. If we're going about the phone, you're gonna find out we got Galaxy A51 5G status. At this moment, not too much to show you. Pretty much that's it. And let's go back. We got software update, which I already installed one, and the last software update was installed on 28th of June, and it's coming with the stability of wallpaper, which has been improved. The performance of fingerprint recognition has been improved, and improved battery charging algorithm and stability. So pretty much it's a good update for this smartphone. So probably that's why the fingerprint is faster, or look faster, in my opinion. Let's go back also and let's have another look. We got device care. Okay, this is the battery, which this new 5G smartphone, it's coming with 4500 mAh battery, which is a 500 mAh battery plus from that Galaxy A51 4G variant, of course, but remain on that 15 watts fast charging. Would be nice to have at least 18 watts, but well. Storage, we got 128 gigabytes of storage, and you saw already you can expand that. The memory, it's a big plus. We got 6 gigabytes of RAM, and the security of your smartphone. Let's go back on digital well-being. This is where you check how many minutes, hours you spend on different apps. Let's go back again. We got location, biometrics, and security. You can add your face recognition, you can add your fingerprints. I did that too for my right and left. Maybe we can do a fingerprint test between this one and Galaxy A71. Let's go back also and let's see what else we got. Lock screen, we got pattern fingerprint, smart look and secure look settings, always on display, of course. Roaming clock and contact information. It's quite the same menu like any other Samsung device. We got the display also, dark mode and light mode, adaptive brightness, font size, screen zoom, and so on. Home menu, you can set up how many apps do you want on the screen, which is quite good. Let's go back again. Notification, sound and vibration, and connection, which is coming with that great connectivity, Wi-Fi 6. We got 5G now on this model, and now depends only on the network if it supports 5G or not. We got NFC for payment, which is also very good, and nothing else here. So let's have a look on this K menu. And I organize a bit all these widgets. We got Wi-Fi, data, location, Bluetooth, portrait, NFC for payments, like I said before. We got always on display screen recorder, which is quite good. You can record everything you do on this smartphone and save it, store it in your smartphone. Flight mode, dark mode, torch, power mode, mobile hotspot, link to Windows, scan QR code, and so many other. Smart view, look at this, Bixby, and you got even Dolby Atmos, but only when you connect that earphones to your smartphone. So pretty much that's it. Let's have a look on the camera, and it's quite the same setup like on a previous A51 4G variant. We got a 48 megapixel primary camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel macro, and the 5 megapixel deep camera. Also we got this LED flash, and we can record 4K 30 frames per second. Let's have a look on the video also on the settings, how we can record. Yeah, 4K Ultra HD, and I'm just curious on this front camera if we can record on 4K. Yes, so on the front camera on video you can record also on 4K, which is quite good. On this front camera, on this dot, we got an 32 megapixel wide camera. Nice, really nice. Let's move on. And we got photo, live focus, and even more, like pro mode, macro mode, night mode, super slow motion, hyperlapse, food, AR zone, Bixby vision, and even more. So it's quite interesting. Like I said, this 5G variant with slightly more improvements than last year Galaxy A51. We have a better battery, like 4500 mAh with 15 watts fast charging. We got also a better GPU, which is an Mali G76MP5, and slightly heavier, which is not a problem. Still, I like it. Still very compact in my hand. Quite like it. The back is from plastic, which attract a lot of fingerprint. Look at this. But I always like to buy a mate case, which would make this phone to look better. No more fingerprints. And yeah, pretty much that's it with this new Samsung Galaxy A51 5G. And yes, support Samsung Pay because we got NFC also. This was the unboxing of this new 5G phone. Hopefully in the following days we're gonna do even more test videos, comparison, gameplay for this smartphone, and much more. So give it a like, share if you want, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon with another interesting one.